Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I have a beautiful green and purple colorful spring look. I literally was looking through my makeup drawers, looking at my eyeshadow palettes, and I come across this beautiful green shade and this beautiful purple shade. It would be perfect for a beautiful colorful spring look. So you guys, hope you enjoy it as much as I do. First, we're going to start by priming our eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and I have powder to catch fallout. Okay, first off, we're going to start by picking up this Inglot purple eyeshadow. These don't have names, they have numbers. They're on the bottom of the pans. And the magnet is very powerful on these little palettes, so he is not coming out. So any kind of dark purple that you have with some kind of reddish undertones, any dark purple shadow you have will work for this. So I'm taking this on a fluffier pencil brush, not as dense or stiff as other pencil brushes, and I'm holding my brush towards the end so I have loose kind of control, and I am patting that in my outer corner first, and now I move my hand to the middle of the brush to have more control while placing this in the crease. And what I'm trying to show here is that not only am I applying that in my crease, but I'm applying it against my orbital bone. And if you have trouble with crease placement, that is a good place to start. Just place your brush against the bone you can feel in your eye area, and just windshield wiper your eyeshadow against that bone. Okay, that's your crease area, that's your crease line. You know, if you're unsure about how far you should take it up or whatever. And I have slightly hooded eyes, so I take my eyeshadow up almost to the brow bone, as you can tell. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer, and I am going to cut the crease. I'm just placing some of that on the lid, and I'm just going to kind of like look up, stamp it onto the crease line. That's going to give her a crease line. I blend it out with a brush, and I'm blending any of the extra product off with my finger. Picking up the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, and I'm applying that in my inner corner, and I'm going to blend that out. We will be applying shadow on top of that. The eyeshadow palette I'm picking up next is from Beauty Glazed, and this is the URANUS palette. This is a Huda Beauty dupe for the Emerald palette. How beautiful is this little palette, and guess how much it was? Only $5 on Beauty or jbeves.com. That is where I found that at. And they have a bunch of these to choose from. They're so pretty. So I have that beautiful shimmery lime green, and I wish the camera would do the shade justice. It is so beautiful. So I'm kind of just pressing and dragging that into the lid onto the concealer, and I'm also placing that on top of the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk. And I'm going to go back in with some of the purple and blend the green and the purple together, crisp up my crease line. Notice how I'm holding the brush in the center of the handle, that way I have total control, and just blending that out. So next up, this is an e.l.f. loose pigment, and I don't know if these are available anymore. It's just something I found in my drawer, and I thought that I would pick up and use again. And it's just a nice matte vanilla shade for a highlight. So I used that under the brow bone and blend it down into the crease. I did lose some shades, so I'm picking up the purple brush and blending the brow bone shade with the crease shade like I always do. Now I'm taking the brush in the middle also again, and for total control, more of a heavier, steadier hand, and applying the purple to the lower lash line. Now this is LaColors Eye Marker. This thing's awesome. It's such a great eyeliner. I did a full review on it. If it's already up, I will link it in the description box below, as well as a product list. So I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk in my waterline, and I'm going to place that beautiful shimmery green right on top. Now, if you are new to this, the eyeshadow in your waterline may make your eyes burn a little bit. It goes away. You eventually get used to it, and then you can create all kinds of different color eyeliners with just using a white eyeliner. Now that was Believe Beauty's long-lasting eyeliner to tightline with, and this is the Clinque Happy High Impact Mascara. As for lips, I just did kind of simple because the eyes are so bowed. So this is 915 Maybelline's Blushing Beige lipstick, and on top I'm using the LaColors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss in Heavenly. How beautiful of a lip combo. my favorite lip gloss ever. That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll definitely try out this spring colorful look out for yourselves. There's a ton of different color combinations you could do for some colorful spring looks. In the description box there's a product list, as always, is additional links. I hope you enjoyed the tips and tricks about hand placement on your brush, and these techniques will help you out in your makeup game. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Hope you all are having a blessed day.